Hello, a couple of weeks ago one of our viewers said, how about cooking some pinto beans? Show me how you cook some pinto beans. And I said, okay, let me look and see if I've got a ham bone and I'll do that. Well, I have a ham bone, but for some reason or another, well, I know what the reason is, I just can't find them right now, but there was no pinto beans to be had. And finally I found these Roman beans yesterday. And I thought that I would go ahead and they look like pinto beans to me. Now if anybody knows the big difference in these and pinto beans, let me know. But to look at them, they look exactly the same. But they may not be, they might not taste the same. But anyway, we're going to give them a try. And by the way, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And today we're going to cook these Roman beans with this ham bone over here. And I bet it's going to turn out good. We're going to use the Instapot. So, first thing I want to do, try not to spill these all over the countertop. Dump them in my colander. Okay, now I'm going over here to the sink and wash them off. Okay, now I've got them all washed off real good. And I see a little bit of difference in the stripes and stuff on these beans other than pintos. I don't know, it might be. I'll tell you what, it's going to work out. It's going to do as a good substitute if it's not like pinto beans. So I'm going to dump them in the Instant Pot over here. Now I'm going to take my delicious ham bone I got here and put right down there on top of them. Okay, now I'm going to start putting water in there on them. I don't know exactly how much it'll take, but we'll see here in a minute. That's 4 cups of water so far. Okay, I'm going to put one more in there and I'm just going to make 5 cups of water. Okay, now I'm going to put a little salt and pepper in here. Probably don't need quite as much salt as you would think because you got a ham bone in there. You know, it's got quite a bit of sodium in it. Put some pepper in it. Okay, now the next thing we'll do is try to find the pressure lid. So we'll be right back. Now I don't know if all of y'all are familiar with this new lid or not, but this one right here, you got this button right here, and as soon as you put this button on, as soon as you put this lid on, the button pops up and that seals it, so you don't have to worry about coming back here and messing with this anymore. And then when you get ready to release the pressure, you just have to push down on this button. Now I don't know if you can see it when I put this top on or not, but this will pop up. Line your arrows up in the front. I know you can't see it from there. Let's see from here. Maybe you can see that button, or this little thing right here. You put it down on there, and it popped up as soon as I did that. Before you turn it, and then you turn it counterclockwise, and then you got it locked into position. Now you don't have to do anything else back here until you get ready to release the pressure. Alright, now come up here to the front and you hit your pressure cook and you leave it on high and you take your 7 minutes and you run it all the way up to 35, and then you got to be sure that you hit the start button. If you forget to hit that start button, it's not going to start, and you're just going to be sitting here watching at 35 until it cuts itself off, and then you can start over again. But now it's going to take it about probably 7 or 8 minutes. As much stuff is in here, maybe even 10 minutes before it pops up. But I'll let you know when it comes up, and then that way it'll be another couple of minutes before it starts cooking, and then we do the 35. Now some people say cook it 30 minutes if you like your beans real firm, or cook it more if you like your beans sort of soft. Well, we sort of like ours in between, and so we're hoping this 35 just puts it right in the middle there where it'll be just right. You know, So we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now so far it's been a little over 12 minutes since we hit this start button. It still hadn't come up yet, but now I'm starting to see a little steam come out from around the little button there. So, but you gotta remember now, we've got a lot of stuff in here. We've got that bag of beans, and we got that ham bone that just come out of the freezer, and then we've got that 5 cups of water. And so it's probably going to take it about 15 minutes, maybe just a little bit longer. Okay, and there the pin came up. That was just a little bit over 15 minutes, about 15 and a half minutes. And now we'll see how long it takes it for it to start counting down to 35 minutes. Okay, and there it starts counting down. It took about another 2.5 minutes for it to start counting down after the pin come up on the lid to seal it. And so now all we gotta do is wait for 35 more minutes to go by, and we have some beans and ham bone. So while y'all waiting, how about join our channel and give us a thumbs up? We sure appreciate it. And thank you very much, all you folks that watches our videos and joins our channel. It means a lot to us. We'll be back. Okay, now we're coming down to under a minute here, and so it won't be long now before it's ready to do something else with these. Now everybody says that you get white foam if you do a quick release on them, and it comes out all over the top of your cooker lid and all. So I'm probably just going to let them have about a 5-minute rest after we do this. Because to tell you the truth, I meant to put some a little bit of olive oil in it, and I forgot to. And they say if you put a little bit of olive oil in there, you won't have that foam come out. So instead of taking a chance, I'll just let it have a 5-minute rest. And now it's finished with the cook. Now it won't take it but a second or a few seconds. It'll start counting up. And when it gets to the 5-minute mark, then we'll quick release it and see what we got in this pot. Okay, and there it's been sitting there for 5 minutes now doing a natural release. And the next thing we're going to do, we're going to come over here and just push this button down right here, push it straight down, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to go back there and mess with that thing back there at all. So we'll see how long it takes that to come down. That's got a lot. Okay, now I had a lot of pressure built up in it, so it's going to take a couple of minutes for it to all get out of there, I think. But it's going out a whole lot quicker than I ever thought it was. So this sounded about like it's through now. That's only been 2 minutes. Okay, and there went the pin. Now let's get back over here where we can see what's in this pot. Okay, now don't forget with this and all other pressure cookers that's got, or anything else got pressure under it, when you lift it up, put it away from your face. Oh boy, them look like some good beans. I wish my camera lens hadn't fogged up. But we'll be back in a second and unclog them. Oh, that's unfogging right now. So they don't look pretty good, don't they? Oh geez, I got a spoon. Okay, now I'm just going to stir these around a little bit. Get some up. Now they do look a little different than pinto beans. Let me get me a little bit of bowl here and see what they taste like. I got ham bone, the ham just falling off there. It's going to go in a bowl of beans. Okay, now believe it or not, these beans are not done enough to eat, so we're going to put this lid back on here. It's always hard to put them back on after you just took the pressure off, because you see the button is already popped up there. So that'll make it quicker to cook, I guess. So we're going to come back over here and we'll hit the cancel button. And we're going to go back to pressure cook. We'll leave it on high, or we'll come down to 15 minutes. And then we'll hit the start button. Now, I bet these things will be done next time I come out of that pot. So, we'll be back. It shouldn't take it, well, it should start cooking right away because the pin's already up. So, we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now it's finished those 15 minutes. Now it's started counting up again. It's up to 1 minute, and so we'll wait and give it to 5 minutes to do the natural release. And if they're not done this time, we might throw them out in the backyard and start up something else. So we'll see in a minute. Okay, now 5 minutes is up again, so we'll turn it back around. We'll come up here and hit this button again. And there it goes. Okay, now it took less than a minute this time for it to drop because I tell it's about to quit there. And so, let's open it up and see if we got anything eatable in here this time. Counterclockwise and away from your face. It looks good from here, but we'll see. Oh yeah, now they're looking more like beans. Now they're looking more like pintos. Get out a little couple of them here. Yeah, see the way they're cooking up here? These are going to be pretty good. Let's try them in a bowl. I'll let the boss over here try them. Now to be completely honest with y'all, I put 10 more minutes on these beans and cooked them again. But now they are just perfect. Look at those beans. They are just right. And this ham, I just had a piece of that ham, and that ham just about melts in your mouth. That's good. So, got this whole ham bone here you can clean off. Now, I'll tell you the truth, I don't know what took it so long. I don't know if it was the frozen ham bone or the 5 cups of water or what it was, but it took a full 60 minutes to cook them. So I wouldn't dare cook them no less than that because they're still not mush. I mean, they're still good firm beans. So, you know, 60 minutes for them, and that's, I'll put 5 cups of water in there and that frozen ham bone. And now this pack of beans I think was a 14-ounce pack. But now these are good beans now. I'll tell you the truth, I can't tell the difference between these and pintos. Of course they might be, and I'm sure some of y'all will let me know what the difference in them is. But But now those are real good beans, and I'll tell you the truth, I can't tell the difference between those and pintos. But I'm gonna put me some of these in the freezer just to see, because as soon as I can never find me any pinto beans again, I'm gonna cook some pintos and I'm gonna compare these two just so I can see. And so next time, I hope y'all enjoyed our video as much as I enjoyed making it. It's a little drug out. I didn't think it'd take me 60 minutes to cook them, but it did. But anyway. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day. Remember to wash your hands, stay away from everybody, and until next time, goodbye now.